tracking for you this evening, but on what's brewing today, Zomato closed over 1.5% higher after the food aggregator narrowed its consolidated loss by 48% yearly in the fourth quarter. Now, the company said its business, excluding quick commerce, turned adjusted EBITDA positive in the March quarter, driven by the food delivery business. Shilpa Ranipeta joins us now with the key details of the numbers. Shilpa, take us through the highlights.
Well, let me first run you through the headline numbers. Now, for Zomato as a company, revenue from operations for the quarter grew about 70% year-on-year to 2,056 crores, while its consolidated loss narrowed by nearly 48% to about 187.6 crore. But the highlight, especially according to the company, is that ex-Blinkit, the company has turned adjusted EBITDA positive at 28 crore rupees. Now, CEO Deepinder Goyal has said that they aim to make the entire business, that includes Blinkit, the quick commerce, profitable in the next 4 quarters, and this also at a PAT level. Now, food delivery business was adjusted EBITDA positive for the third quarter in a row at about 78 crore rupees. However, there was still a slowdown in growth for food delivery, but the company said that it is seeing green shoots since February and says that the growth should reflect in better gross order value next quarter. Now, for this quarter, however, the GOV was down about 1% quarter on quarter, and the average monthly transacting customers were also down about 16.6 million in the fourth quarter, as against 17.4 million in the last quarter in Q3. Now, Zomato has attributed this slowdown mainly to the shutting down of the bottom 225 odd cities. Now, the company also commented, in fact, on ONDC, where it said that it is watching the progress of ONDC closely and will learn from it. Now, speaking of Blinkit, the average order value there also saw a reduction. In fact, it was the lowest this quarter in this entire year at about 522 rupees. Now, to this, Blinkit founder Albinder Dinsa said that they've learned that this AOV in this business will continue to swing up and down in the near future, near to midterm, in fact, and this is mainly due to several factors, including seasonal factors. But the company hopes to be able to predict such swings better and mitigate its impact on its margins. Back to you.
All right, Shilpa, many thanks for those details. Meanwhile, Zomato's rival Swiggy has declared that its food delivery business turned profitable in the March quarter of FY23 after factoring in all corporate costs, excluding employee stock option. Now, the company's quick commerce segment, Instamart, is on track to hit contribution neutrality in the next few weeks.